Right then, well, whenever you buy a bike that's not been run for 30 years, the tyres are always fossilised. These ones actually don't look so bad, but they're absolutely rock solid. I wonder if we could put them in wintergreen oil. It's a thought, isn't it? I suspect it wouldn't be a good idea. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to take this tyre off, I'm going to clean up the wheel, I'm going to put a new tyre and tube on. To be honest, I would usually take it to my local bike shop, but as we're in lockdown, I've got to do it myself. Yeah, no problem, I've done plenty in the past. Whenever I do them, I use these tyre levers, and I always think I should buy some slightly longer ones. However, longer ones can sometimes be difficult to manoeuvre on spoked wheels. Yeah, if you have a go yourself, you'll perhaps find that, but I always think I should buy some longer ones. One of the first problems that you have is breaking the bead, and there's a couple of ways of doing that other than just jumping up and down on it. I tend to use a G-clamp, yeah, just to break it so it comes off where it seals against the rim. Now I'm only talking about tubed tyres here. You can probably do this with tubeless ones as well, and I will be putting a tubeless with a tube on here, to be fair. But it can be hard work, it can cause you a fair bit of sweat. Yeah, so have a go at it for yourself, but you know, if you can take it to the shop, I definitely would. So I've blown it up a little bit. What I'll have to do is take it somewhere where I've got a compressed air line. My compressor's out on loan at the moment, and I'll inflate it to perhaps £15 per square inch more than the specified pressure, and keep rolling it and tapping it and rolling it. What you want is there's a line round the tyre that you need to get even all the way around. So if it doesn't work out, let the air out, try it again. Wouldn't do it by choice. You have to do it sometimes. Either it'll have put you off, or it'll be something you'll be happy to have a go at. That's the end of this one. So at least my wheel's going to be ready to go back on the bike.